Hi everybody, Tipsy Bubbles here, coming at you with a review for the Frizzle Box. This is the first one I've gotten. I'm really excited to see what's inside. First glance, the packaging is really cute. Little dresses and books. Really fun logo on the front. So great. Little note. Very well packaged, actually. It's a nice... Everything's kind of wrapped neatly. A message from the owner, which I will read a little bit later. Let's get into it. I know this has, first glance, earrings. I asked for something that's pride-inspired, but also for a children's drag queen, or children's story hour, right? Oh my god, look at those earrings. Those are so cute. Like rainbow colors of crayons. That's fantastic. Right. Next up, we've got the dress itself, which I asked for my very curvy measurements. So, here it is. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. Oh, that is so cute. It's a nice, poly blend that'll stretch nicely, so it'll conform to all of my body yaddy. That is perfect for story time. Oh my gosh. I'm actually really excited. I love this rainbow without being literal rainbows. That's perfect. And then last but not least... Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more than I expected in here. That's great. I have some water brush pens. Ooh! Maybe some interaction with the kids. Water brush crayons. Fantastic. And, of course, how the crayon saved the rainbow. Oh my god. This will be perfect for story hour. And I have read a number of storytime books, but I have not read this one. So I'm really excited to see how this is. I think this is just perfect. With the crayon earrings, oh my gosh. And lastly, even some what does the rainbow flag mean? That's fantastic. Information that is, yeah, this is great. Oh my gosh. So excited. I will be taking some pictures once I get into drag and put those along with the video. See you soon.